Can you really use conditioner instead of developer? Let's find out. Ever wondered if you could skip the developer and just use conditioner with your hair dye? It sounds tempting, right? Save money, maybe even be gentler on your hair. But is it actually a good idea? Let's dive into the truth. Hair developer, also known as peroxide, is a crucial component in hair dyeing. It opens the hair cuticle, allowing the dye to penetrate and deposit color. It also lightens the natural hair pigment, making way for the new color. Different volumes of developer exist, each with varying strengths. Higher volumes lift more color, but can also cause more damage. Understanding this is key to achieving your desired results safely. Conditioner is designed to smooth and hydrate the hair. It closes the cuticle, the opposite of what developer does. It lacks the chemical properties needed to lift color or allow dye to properly bind. Using conditioner instead of developer simply won't result in a color change. You'll end up with a messy, ineffective application and wasted dye. It's like trying to bake a cake without heat. While conditioner is ineffective, some might be tempted to try other DIY substitutes. This is a dangerous game. Using the wrong chemicals can lead to severe hair damage, chemical burns, and even hair loss. Household chemicals are not formulated for hair and scalp use. The pH levels and ingredients can react unpredictably with hair dye, leading to disastrous results. It's simply not worth the risk. If you're concerned about developer damage, explore gentler options. Consider using a lower volume developer or opting for semi-permanent dyes that don't require developer. Always perform a strand test first. Prioritize hair health by using deep conditioners and protein treatments after dyeing. This helps to repair and strengthen the hair shaft, minimizing damage. Remember, healthy hair holds color better. While the idea of using conditioner instead of developer might seem appealing, it's simply not a viable option. It won't work, and attempting DIY substitutes can be incredibly dangerous. Stick to the proper products and follow instructions carefully. Ready to achieve your dream hair color safely and effectively? Subscribe to our channel for more expert hair care tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below sharing your biggest hair dyeing concerns, and we'll address them in our next video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts.